Okay, so let's understand a very interesting concept in trading, that is pair trading. Pair trading is a market neutral strategy that is taken care of by investors, by traders, and they can implement the pair trading during all market conditions, whether the market is in uptrend, whether the market is in downtrend, or it is trading sideways. It generally monitors historically highly correlated two kind of commodities or stocks or various asset classes that are highly correlated. And pair trading is generally implemented in such scenario when the correlation distorts or weakens for a while. Whenever there is a weakening of correlation, then the market expects, or the market participants expect, that the correlation, the two commodities or the two securities, they will somehow converge in the near future. So let's understand why actually they diverged. The reason for divergence of the two commodities that are highly correlated was because there can be a supply-demand imbalance, there can be a high order punching by various fund houses that has brought out some distortion in the prices, that has brought out distortion in the correlation between the two commodities, and there can be a knee-jerk reaction due to some or the other short-term news. So this is where the two commodities, they face divergence, but in the future the market expects that they would converge and bring the prices in line with each other. What is the demand for pair trading? The demand for the pair trading is that you should make good decision, you should have good decision making skills. Apart from that, you should have good position sizing as well. And the limitation for the pair trading is that you need to there are very few opportunities that are available in the market. Like if we talk about the commodity market, that the two counters that are the most widely traded in pair trading is the gold and silver. They both have common fundamentals, they both have almost same fundamentals, and that is the reason they move in line with each other. They move highly correlated with each other, but during some time there is a knee-jerk reaction in news. Say let us talk about gold, and it shows a sharp movement in one direction, and very soon the silver is likely to follow the trend of the gold, and the gold will likely to follow the trend of the silver, and they'll again come in line with each other. Now, one limitation is that you should have good position sizing, and another limitation is that there are very few opportunities that are available in the market. However, for traders that have low risk appetite and they want to trade in the market, whether it's equities or commodities, then pair trading is a very wonderful tool for them to implement trading, taking low risk in the market.